Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to reduce jpeg file size in Photoshop. Let's check this file size before reduce it. It's 4.1 MB now. Now I'm gonna opening that image into my Photoshop. Here's the image. Go to image size, select here cubic sharper best for reduction. Current width is 5184. I'm giving here 2000. Okay, and here the image is reduced now. Now let's save and check this. Make sure to select here high. And here is the image. Check it out. Now it's 372 KB only. Let's open it in Photoshop to check the quality. Here you can see quality is perfect. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.